Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find MetaMask wallet address. In order to do this, first you have to launch your MetaMask mobile application and then you just have to log into your account. Now once you successfully logged in, on the home page you are going to see this address tab. So basically this is your MetaMask wallet address. Even if you change your network, this wallet address will remain the same. I will show you the example of it. So as you can see over here that we are currently on BNB Smart Chain. So if I tap on this drop arrow button and if I select the Ethereum main network, as you can see over here that our address is still the same. It has not changed a bit. So basically in MetaMask, irrespective of whichever network you are choosing, your address is going to same. And the address, if you want to copy it, then you will have to tap on this copy tab and you can use this wallet address in order to send and receive cryptos on MetaMask. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.